Meaning of doggerel.
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 Doggerel. Doggerel refers to poorly written or trivial verse, often with irregular rhythms and forced rhymes. It is typically used as a derogatory term to describe a poem or piece of literature that lacks literary depth or quality. Doggerel is often criticized for being simplistic and lacking in artistic merit. Despite this, however, it has its place in popular culture and can be found in things like nursery rhymes, political propaganda, and advertising jingles. Overall, doggerel is seen as a form of lowbrow entertainment that is not taken seriously by literary critics.